What up, shorty? On today's episode, we are going to install some VSRF test pipes. Yes. So we'll show you how to do this. But not really. We're not going to show you how to do this. We're going to do the step-by-step instructions. We're just going to have some fun and install this. All right. So today we're going to do a test pipe install. So we're going to see the difference between OEM sound and primary cat delay. Forgot what do we got on the feet today? Some pandas. All right, we're gonna look around the shop and see how many cars have carbon fiber. Oh, carbon fiber. Oh, there's carbon fiber on that hood insert. We can't see it. Person fires. Carbon fiber. Cars for hire. More carbon fiber. Is there an intake or is it just a drop-in filter?
Looks like a. I mean, this piece is different. This is branded, but the airbox isn't.
Oh.
Someone makes like a nice.
I think it just has a tube and probably some drop in. We going up on a Tuesday.
It is Tuesday.
It is Tuesday. All right. Oh. Dude, you know what'd be kind of sick?
What?
Kind of a waste of money, but what do you think about floating center caps?
Floating center cap.
Yeah, so it just
Those
says
floaters.
BBSs.
Does DBS make them?
Yeah, it's like $300.
I don't know. What do you think? What do you think this thing deserves?
We're gonna do it. Wow, you Rodney.
Yeah, you Rodney.
Oh, so sorry. That's really bright. Ah!
Try to cut shit without making a big mess and trashing up all these things. I mean, the other option is to drop the whole entire. Keen on the clears.
Yes, I like them. No, we got eyes. Loud noises.
Loud noises.
That is the first cat. That is the first cat. Oh my god, the corrosions. Ooh. Tampa. The Tampas. How are we looking in there? Oh, they're still great. No two-stepping.
Yeah, no more of that.
I don't know anything about two-stepping and braking whipples and transmissions. Yeah. No, stock motors. Test fit this bad boy.
Original cut might have been
Too short?
No, I need to cut it a little bit more.
Doodle Bob.
I hear the Raptor.
I hear the Raptor too.
Boom.
Boom. Oh, I hear the EcoBoost. Hey there, Pete.
What's up?
Hi, Rocky. Hi, buddy. Oh, this is scary. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Start it?
Yeah, make sure. First it's too tight, now it's not tight.
Yeah, now it's just too loose. And it's probably because she's a hose.
Tell me more.
You know who's a hoe?
No, there's hose. Like the shelf. Do you guys see the hose? They're not hard lines though.
You're not a hoe, you're a hard line.
Yeah, I am. Carbon fiber. I'm gonna go for riding Pete's 800 crank horsepower Raptor.
9 million.
9 million.
sit down. Look at that.
Okay.
Almost died.
Dude, the step downs are so nice. You have an ethanol switch?
So then you turn that on.
Oh, it turns on your auxiliary pump?
No, it just turns on my e-sensor.
Oh. Where are the lights?
I only have one light button. There we go. E53.
Oh, that's sick.
142. Feels good. Good and tight.
Oh my god. Dude, what the? That's crazy.
Pretty good, right?
Dude, for a truck?
I'll smoke you in
That
my
sounds
truck.
so good. It has so much torque. You know, for stock, that's pretty good. From the outside, it's a lot louder, but you can barely hear the car from the inside. It is the following day. We got the exhaust leaks all figured out on the E92 M3, and I'm at a spot with my friend Chris Schofield. And reason why I didn't want to do the exhaust test at the garage is because it's a little too loud. There's a sound ordinance, and we didn't want to get in trouble. Wow, that's crazy. Well, by the time you guys are seeing this video, it's probably going to be Monday or Tuesday by this point. And I know I was supposed to do a video on this Palm Performance mod I have right here. I also have another little secret modification right here that's gonna go in the back of the car. Give you a little hint. But again, I just wanted to say thank you guys. I really appreciate you following along, and because it really supports this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on that notifications button. And as always, until next time, guys, see you in the next one.